was just laughing at myself for the way I interact with nature. I crack myself up because it's like I think there's some things I'm supposed to be doing. It's like, it's like, okay, I'm in nature. Like, I need to like be in nature. I need to like really be here, like present. It's too funny. Like, okay. I'm off my phone. You're in nature now. I'm gonna notice all the sounds. Oh, look at this cute little guy. I don't know if you guys can see him. I can't see what you're seeing, but if you could see him, it's called a nutria. I'd never even heard of them before I got here. They're super cute, and it's been baby season, so there's been all these like baby ones. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, so, oh, here comes another one. It was a little ways up. Yeah, so, okay nature. I wanna like commune with you in like a really deep way. You're so sacred. You're so sacred. I wanna be sacred with you because I am you. I am you, and I wanna be one with you. If anything taps me into love and God and all of that, it's like humor. When I can laugh at myself, when I can notice these funny moments of efforting to like be what I already am, to experience, like it just feels like all effort is what takes me out of that. Okay, an effort into oneness. That's the path. The path to oneness is efforting into oneness. See these little cute guys? Oh, look how cute. Right? I need to be like them. I need to be just like off technology. Animals aren't on technology. That's why they're so in harmony with the flow of life. That's good for now. Thanks for joining me.